Many are having the same question after becoming CA. Both this option have their pros and cons on various factors like investment risk taker, comfort zone, etc. So also this option vary from person to person concerning the goal of the individual. So very careful steps need to be taken while evaluating and stepping ahead with the options. So here are the pros and cons for the both option whether you have to get a job or in practice. In practice you are the boss of your organization, so therefore you are not required to ask the permission like a leave for hours, accountable for not completing the work, etc. The most beautiful of the profession is power of signature, for which you had done hard work for clearing the CA exam. This is not available when you are an employee in a company. In practice, sky is the limit for growth and opportunity. Thought in initial year you are required to make a expenditure without earning income, but this is struggle of 2 to 3 years being fast paced growth in your career goals. So once the struggling phase gets over, the growth will increase and will keep growing in the long run. In practice, your knowledge and learning enhanced due to engagement in various subjects like auditing, direct tax and indirect tax, project financing, IFRS, and much more, which is limited in the job. So you will enjoy the work in a different field and not create frustration of doing monotonous work. So coin is a two side. So if we are talking about cons, so in a practice requires a one-time huge investment like the computer software, furniture, office, etc. So in the other word you have to start from zero. In today's world, no business and profession is free from risk, but the regard to job practice has more risk. So, risk like getting clients or not, staff turnover, cutthroat competition in the market, etc. And there will be no income during the initial phase and require patience for that. So you need management skill to run your firm successfully along with the financial planning as well. अगर हम यही जॉब की बात करते हैं तो अगर जॉब के कुछ आपको मैं फ़ायदे बताना चाहता हूँ. सो इन अ जॉब there is a fixed income you earn from day one when you are joined the company. There is also helpful for that who doesn't have the minimum resource or belong to the such family who is having a financial problem. So fixed working hours, here's you don't have to after office, but in some instances you are required to work when your work is not completely within time. Here your growth depends upon your to performance of the work. Here you are not required to invest in office setup. बट अगर हम इसके कुछ नुकसान की बात करें तो हियर्स यू गेट टायर्ड एंड फ्रस्ट्रेटेड विद द डूइंग द सेम वर्क इन द ऑफिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर फॉर 8 to 9 hours. It leads to stress. When you work in single field you will forget and will not be able to explore such other subject in which you are not dealing. And here's the charm and power of your signature get lost. Here you work under the boss and you need to ask permission like leaves, etc. So the above are the various advantage and disadvantage of job and practice, so one can choose very you know rationally. Many CA joins in the industry for acquiring experience and knowledge so that they can start the practice of their own. But due to lucrative salary and comfort zone, they never step ahead and take a risk of starting own practice.